Hey guys, so as you guys know, we've got a special guest coming on Saturday to our live stream. Um, so she's a doctor from Maryland in the United States, and the idea is to ask her some questions about the situation in the USA. As you know, in America, things are very different from here. Now, I want to sort of give you a bit of background information, give you some ideas about what you may be able to ask her, what kind of questions you may want to come up with for the live stream. Now, this is the Johns Hopkins University and Medicine website, and they've got this center where they keep track. This is the website for numbers around the world. So what do we see here? Well, first of all, here obviously we see that right now, as of 10 p.m. on Tuesday, the 21st of April, we seem to have about almost exactly 2.5 million total cases around the world, okay, of which, so 788, almost 800,000 confirmed cases are in the United States. That means pretty much a third, yeah, third of all cases in the world are in the United States right now. So this is also from this afternoon, a few hours ago, from The Guardian, theguardian.com. So this is the actual numbers according to them. So more than 170,000, as we just said, 2.5 million cases. A quarter, just under a quarter of all global deaths have been in the US. This is from a website called ourworldindata.org. Also a very useful place for you to go and get some information. They have a lot of different charts and graphs. Here you've got a line graph talking about how rapidly the number of deaths are increasing around the world. So you see right up here at the top, and this is from today, 21st of April, so updated. We are here in the United States. We're up here right now. Okay. Now, if you compare it, you can compare it to other countries where things have been pretty bad as well. United Kingdom as well. Now, what is interesting, I think, on this this chart and the next one, this is another chart. Looks very similar, but it's not. And this is also about the number of deaths, but it's about bending the curve. Now, what does that mean? Do you know what bending the curve means? Now, this is not something that we really talk about a lot here in Vietnam because we're nowhere near having to think about this. But bending the curve means slowing down the numbers, the daily, whether it's the cases or in this case, the number of deaths or the number of cases. Now here we are looking at the number of deaths. I want to highlight this because as you see here, the United States, and this is as of right now, does not, well, it's bending the curve, but it's not, doesn't seem to be going in the negative. So if you look at, France or Italy, all those numbers are going down. For the moment here, it doesn't appear like the numbers are really going down in the United States. They don't seem to be bending the curve for the moment. So these are all, I think, opportunities for us to think, what can we ask Dr. Yvette about? In this case, what does it mean? Why is this happening? Are they going to bend the curve soon? We also say flatten the curve. What does she think? What's happening? Why are the numbers so high? Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's it. I hope that this was useful. You've got the links. You can go and check it out a little bit more for yourselves. I just want you to try to come up with some interesting questions for Saturday to have enough information so that you understand and you can really enjoy the live stream on Saturday. Okay, so good luck everybody, and I'll see you on Saturday.